Alright everyone, welcome to today's charting session. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we typically look at yung trending names list at nakukuha po natin yun sa Instagrams. So if you use Instagrams as your charting software, charting provider, you usually find that list somewhere on the right hand side of your screen. May nagtanong din po kung sponsored ako ng Instagrams. Hindi po, no? Pero baka naman, baka naman Investa. Okay, tumatanggap din po tayo ng mga chart requests. So kung meron kayong mga requests, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Or kung meron kayong mga tanong, please do ask them in the comment section below and I will get to all of them. No? Today, we are starting off with Medic. Nangako ko sa inyo that we'll be taking a closer look at the stock for this week para sama-sama nating tinatrack yung movement niya for the next ilang days. No? And para ma-share ko din sa inyo yung thought process ko nung pag-form ng structure as we go. Hindi yung parang once a week or twice a week lang. Okay, so I'll try to cover this 3 times this week. So, we will be using the 30 minutes chart for our purpose. And the reason for that is, medyo dumami na rin naman kasi yung candles niya kahit papano. And since it's not trending to the upside naman, meaning walang trade na very, very imminent, I decided it would be best kung i-discuss natin siya under the 30-minute time frame para lang at least we're looking at the bigger picture rather than a very, very small picture that other people could misconstrue. Okay? If you watched our video last week tungkol sa Medic, you will note na iniba ko na ng konting levels ko. Siyempre, nag-iba na rin ng konting structure so kailangan magbago na rin yung posisyon ng ibang mga levels. Magbabago na rin yung pag-map natin ng chart. Pero ano nga ba yun nangyari? So, natapos yung last week sa candle na to. Okay? Nag-close tayo at around 1.57 yata. No, tinitingnan natin, something like that. 1.64. Dito. Sorry, 1.64 pala at the close of that day. No? This was December 10. Okay? Then, nag-open tayo nung Monday, gap down. Ano nangyari after mag-gap down? Price came back and tagged this area again. Anong important sa area na to? Okay? Ito kasi dito, meron tayong cluster of lows. Diba? So, price came back, retested this level of support here. Diba? Ito yung resistance dito. Okay? Naging support dito. So, when price came back, etong inflection point na to, hindi nakakagulat na nag-hold din siya as resistance. Nauntog tayo dito once, then came back twice dito. Then we rolled over from there. My apologies na medyo pangit yung drawing. No? Napansin ko pag nag-zoom in ako dito sa Investa, pumapangit yung brush tool. I'm not entirely sure why, but di rin ako sure kung ano pa ba ibang tool pwede ko gamitin. Let's try this path. Yeah, so umakit tayo dyan, nauntog, push lower. Then when we broke beneath itong mga lows na to dito, diba? We broke beneath it, nag-consolidate tayo konti, parang normal breakout lang, diba? Yung mga sinasabi natin na conso sa high or whatever. Ito nag-conso sa low. Then we broke down, then we came back and retested tong area na to. Okay? Yung area of previous consolidation. Now, kung titignan nyo to sa 5-minute chart, you will see na nag-mock up tayo. Not severely, but we did. Okay? Nag-mock up tayo just to come back and test these lows here. Kung hindi tayo nag-mock up, we would have closed beneath this area of support sa 1.52. I think we were at 1.51 at the time. Let's check. Yep, we were at 1.50 at the time, no? 1.5 tapos nag-mock up tayo. So, had it not happened, we would have been trading beneath that area of support. So, ngayon, ang tinitingnan natin is, number 1, mariretake ba ng price itong 1.57 para mag-open up itong area na to dito? Okay? Or, maaaring matrap muna siya dito sa maliit na zone na to dito. Or what will happen might be, mag-gap down tayo ulit sa Monday. Sa Wednesday, tomorrow. Tapos from there, we might seek out new lows. And if mabasag natin yung 1.47, it could test it from underneath. Then from there, we might shoot downwards and seek out new lows once again. Kasi remember, even here sa 30 minutes, yung trend niya, pababa talaga eh. Diba? I don't think I even have to draw out yung mga lower highs, lower lows na area to show you na downtrend. Downtrend talaga eh. Anyone can see it. So, konting ingat lang if you're trying to chase this. Okay? If you're trying for bounce plays, mga ganon, then syempre di ko naman kaya aawatin. Pera nyo naman yan, choice nyo naman yan. Kung pasok sa sistema nyo, then by all means, go ahead. Pero just know that right now, we are trading counter trend, albeit sa lower time frame. Kasi syempre sa higher time frame, iilan pa lang naman yung mga candles natin. And you can't honestly say na, kapag sa daily, nag-form na structure na ganito, wala pa bitin pa ng konti, no? So that's just something to watch out for dito sa Medic. For me, para maging bullish, I want to see it start trading at least above tong 1.57, pero mas maganda sana if we can start pushing above 1.64. Okay, pag nag-trade tayo above 1.64, that opens up this range here. Then kung mabasag yan, then maybe we can come back and tag tong range high dito at 1.84. Kung mabasag tong 1.7. For me, that might be the easier trade. Again, okay, mahirap sabihin na hindi, pag nag-break kailangan i-trade kasi hindi ko naman nakikita mag-develop yung structure right now Diba? Kailangan nakikita natin ano itsura if umabot man tayo doon. Baka sa 1.64 pa lang maganda yung break, baka may opportunity again. Kung meron kayong signal sa kung anumang system na gamit nyo, then feel free to go ahead, take the trade. Basta kampante kayo, meron kayong plano at kaya nyo sundin at maging disiplinado yung plano nyo, di maganda. Diba? Yun lang naman yun No one can predict naman na dapat tumaas, dapat bumaba. Okay? So yun po yung Medic. Next, let's take a look at WLCON, no? Okay, so yung WLCON, when last we talked about WLCON, ang sinasabi ko nga nun, price was having a hard time breaking above tong 31.9. Lo and behold, nabasag na nga siya sa candle na to. We broke out, then ngayon bumalik tayo. We're about to retest yung 31.9 na area. Kanina umabot tayo hanggang 32.15 na low. So ang tanong, if price comes back here and tags yung 31.9 again, okay, will that area hold? If that area doesn't hold, then what we're looking at is maybe price comes back to trade within this range muna. So that's 30.2 hanggang 31.9. If mabasag tong 30 pesos na area, then itong range naman yung mag-open up. So that's 27.8 hanggang 30 pesos, no? Pero let's say na it comes back, mag-hold yung 31.9, then what we're looking for is to see kung mababasag natin tong na-form na high at 33.7. And if so, then we might come back and tag ito muna, yung 35 na area around here. Then if we can break that, then maybe we can come back and see kung mababalikan tong 40 pesos na high. Okay? Ayaw nating makita is yun nga, mabasag to the downside tapos mag-start na mag-conso beneath. Okay? Kasi kapag ganon, gugulo na naman yung picture Right now, we broke above this current range here. Diba? Yes, merong kaguluhan dito na nangyari, but I wouldn't put too much stock into it. I'm aware that there are levels there, but I would rather see what price will do upon breakout nitong range na to. Mag-hold ba? Mag-breakdown ba? Kung mag-breakdown, hanggang saan? And so forth before making up my mind kung ano nga ba talaga magandang gawin dito sa WLCON. Okay? Next, let's take a look at Jollibee. Alright. So, Jollibee, ang sinasabi ko nga at the time, was possible pa na mag-form tayo ng parang head and shoulders pattern dito. And right now, parang ganun na nga yung nangyayari, no? We pushed up dito, ganyan. We broke beneath this low. Price came back up. Tas essentially, nakahanap tayo ng resistance dito sa may gap sa cluster of lows na to. Parang pinaghalo. Okay? Tas now we're pushing down. If mabasag tong low na to dito, which is 218, more or less, no? Kung mabasag yung 218, then we might come back and tag tong 208. If 208 breaks, then price might come back to within this range here. So that's 190 hanggang 208, no? Kung mabasag yun. Okay? Bakit siya pwedeng bumalik sa range na to? Kasi dito rin tayo nag-range before, diba? Dito rin tayo nag-range panandalian dito. Dito rin tayo nag-range panandalian dyan. So if mabasag yan, hindi nakakagulat kung mag-range din siya ulit dyan. I am not saying na it will look like these. Okay? Maaaring bumulusok lang yan papaba. Maaaring mag-bounce lang kagad tayo dyan. I don't know. Okay? Hindi po natin ginagawa tong pag-analyze natin para pangunahan yung market. We're just preparing ourselves for different scenarios para kung mangyari man ang either gusto nating mangyari or ayaw natin mangyari, handa tayo sa kailangan natin gawin. Okay, so yun yung bearish scenario. Ang bullish is if we can push back up, break above this right shoulder high, take out tong white zone na to. So let me take out yung mga ibang drawing lang para hindi nakakalito, no? So if we can take out this white zone here, then I think very good chance we come back and tag 260 and probably break that and push higher from there. So pag mabasag yan, yung next na area natin will be around 269. Then if we can break in 269, around 288, 290 na. Okay? So yan po yung Jollibee. Next, let's take a look at TEL, no? Okay, so yung TEL, nag-range pa rin tayo. Kung sakali mang isa kayo sa mga nakabili dito sa baba or isa sa mga nakabili dito, depende sa system nyo. I am not sure kung na-hit na ba trail stop nyo or hindi pa. Okay? But syempre, kung na-hit, make sure to maintain your discipline, stick to your plan. But kung hindi pa, not much has really happened. Yes, we are trading in this broad range here. So that's from 1,590 hanggang 1,755, no? And obviously, that's a very tradable range. But again, personally, hindi kasi talaga ako range trader in this particular manner, no? If it sets up properly, sure, why not? But for now, or at the very least, sa nangyayari so far, wala pa. Okay? What we're looking for here is mabasag ng TEL tong zone na to, yung 1755 hanggang 18 na area. If we can break 18, then new 52-week high tayo, then likely we push higher. Basag nun, then we're targeting 1944 next. Okay? Kung mabasag yung 1944, then price will likely find resistance amongst this cluster of lows here. And if we can break that, then find yung next area sa cluster of highs naman dito. Okay? So yun yung tinitignan natin. But for now, since as I always say, kung hindi pa desidido yung market, tayo rin dapat di pa sa desidido. Syempre kung may hawak na kayo, tapos hindi pa naman na-hit yung trail stop nyo, then by all means, diba? Syempre unang-una, congrats, no? And also, hold lang tayo kasi syempre sinusunod nga natin yung system natin, diba? Pero kung wala pa, then maybe kailangan mo na mag-exercise ng konting patience. Okay? I sincerely doubt most systems would give you an entry signal, quote and quote, kapag nag-range ng ganito. Okay? Ang ayaw nating makita is for price to break to the downside, mabasag not just tong 1590, pero ito ring 1545. Kasi if that happens, then what likely occurs next is price will be trapped sa range na to. So that's 1463 hanggang 1545. Then if mabasag yung 1463, then we likely come back to this larger range here. So from 1342 hanggang 1463. But so far, it's looking like parang baka bumibuelo lang siya, no? I'm not sure kung magkakaroon to ng Christmas rally. Pero kung hindi, baka naghihintay pa siya ng Q1 or Q2 2022. We don't know. Okay, maganda niyan. Sama-sama naman po natin ito binabantayan. Sama-sama natin tinitingnan. Sama-sama natin pinag-aaralan. So I'm sure na if meron mang mangyari, sama-sama rin po natin mapag-uusapan. Okay? And then finally, let's take a look at EMP, no? So EMP is also a requested chart, and I just wanted to fulfill this request early in the week because honestly, I don't think anything else will happen. So far, EMP has been ranging and has continued to range within this area here. As I said nga, hanggang mabasag tong 19.2 or mabasag tong 17.5, walang magbabago for me. Okay, if mabasag tayo to the downside, then maybe we can start looking for potential bounce trades. Okay? Or maybe we can start looking for potential quote-unquote buy on dips. Okay? Again, I'm not saying na good idea. I'm just saying na I know some people will start looking for it. Tas if mabasag to the upside, then obviously new 52-week high tayo. Then maybe we can look for momentum trades and so on. But for now, okay, as much na, alam mo yun, bilang YouTuber, gusto lang natin may masabi minsan, no? Wala talaga ako masabi tungkol dito sa EMP. I honestly don't know why people are still requesting it kasi nga, nothing's happening. Okay? Nag-range lang siya. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys if masira tong range na to, if may magbago, I'm sure na pag-uusapan natin to agad ulit. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I do apologize na again, I'm posting at a later hour. As I said, things have been happening na beyond my control. So yung schedule ko medyo sabog talaga. So pasensya na. And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!